you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 5.7 liter with a Hemi. This vehicle has front end collision damage. Right now we're inspecting the engine compartment. Everything looks good, nice and square. Frame rail looks good over there. I don't see any damage. Apron looks good. Motor sitting in place. That side looks good. Frame rail looks good there also. I don't see any movement at all. Pretty nice vehicle so far. You have damage to the upper radiator support. Radiators and condensers look good there. Headlights damaged. Zoom out a little bit. The front bumper, right headlight, hood, grille. Fender looks like you can save it. Right front door is good. Windshield is intact. Right rear door is nice and clean. Nice panoramic sunroof. Right rear quarter panel's clean. Again, this is a Trailhawk with a 5.7 liter. Pretty rare. Most of them are 6 cylinders, which makes it really desirable. Take a look inside. The interior is clean. No airbags deployed. Nice red stitching. So far, really nice vehicle, easy fix. I believe this is a 2020 with 25,000 miles. 2020 Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. 25,000 miles, runs and drives.